reclamation of wasteland because 1/6 of India's land is still banned.
Actually, our Earth is facing many potential threats like climate change, asteroid impacts. So we need another planet that will serve as a insurance planet. So that's why we thought of making this project. This project will consist the main part of which will be the rover. It will dig up the soil and find the components and can make and will also make the components suitable for digger to represent it properly.
An actual vertical farm is like a wall and it has different columns with pots and the pots have plants on it. So it's not actually attached to the wall. It can be pots and it also can be just soil and because the roots can hold to the soil. So there are two types of vertical farms. Vertical farms are right now only being done in like the greenhouses are only being done on greenhouses. They're not being implemented.
I'll go back and I'll tell you are really a wonderful people, wonderful place, and seriously to tell me, I thank God for giving me this opportunity to come.
छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें हम बहुत बड़ा काम कर सकते हैं, छोटी चीज़ लेकिन काम बड़ा हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल इंस्पायर अवार्ड एक कंपटीशन होता है, आप सब जानते हैं स्कूल टीचर्स कि हर साल इंस्पायर अवार्ड होता है. तो उसमें जब फर्स्ट इंस्पायर अवार्ड हुआ था उसमें एक छोटे से बच्चे ने एक आइडिया दिया था कि हमारा जो गैस सिलेंडर होता है, जब नया गैस सिलेंडर हम इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो उसमें उसकी कैप को ओपन करने के लिए उसका जो थ्रेड होता है उसको खींच के कैप को निकालना पड़ता है.